Welcome everyone to the Design Computation Input-Output Conference and the workshop day. I will give a brief introduction about the conference and the workshop and how we're planning to run workshops. This is the first year we have workshops in the conference. So a little bit about design computation. Well, I see it as a global collaboration where we get together and discuss computational design and where computational design is going. And then the idea behind it is to organize this new knowledge, computational design, and the many dimensions of computational design, like digital twins and a smart infrastructure, etc., is changing rapidly, and this knowledge is appearing, and the more we organize this new knowledge, the more we can benefit from it. We also intend to understand the process, methods, and tools of a computational design, and what this represents and how this is evolving. And we also have an interest for this conference to be rigorous, but also accessible. So the idea is that computational design should be something that becomes integral and becomes part of the designer's workflow, and by doing so also becomes seamless, and we can then leverage the benefits of this process. We want to cross-fertilize the different domains within computational design. So in this conference, we don't look at a particular domain within computational design, like, for example, architecture design or civils. We also want to think about, fashion, video, digital fabrication, or fabrication in general, but also things like enterprise architecture, for example, how we organize our enterprises and how we run our businesses and so forth. So the idea is to cross-fertilize this, to bring new topics, and also cross-fertilize the domain of design and the domain of computation. Often we see that the biggest leaps in progress comes from this cross-sectional links between different domains. So this year we have workshops, and we're very privileged to have two very interesting workshops. The first one being Introduction to Generative Components, and the second one in the afternoon today is a Decentralized Design Economies Exploration using NFTs to mint 3D geometry using the Tezos cryptocurrency. This year, also like last year, we have work in progress submissions. And this is an opportunity for designers and scientists to contribute to the conference at early stage. So they get a preprint or a pre-registration of the idea, if you like, before the paper is fully completed. And when they register the poster, they get a digital object identifier for the publication, for the poster. This gives some evidence that they are the initiators, or they are the author of that idea, and this is published in the Design Computation Wiki. So last year we had Alvaro helping us, and we intend to carry on with this. I think this is a big trend in publishing academic work, and I would encourage you that even if you don't have a fully finished work, but you want to claim ownership over your idea, use this device. We also want to bring your attention to the Proceedings book that we publish every year. So this is the book from last year. We're very excited about publishing this book. It's a registered, ISBN registered book, and we send a copy to the British Library, and we send a copy for, if you purchase one with your ticket, we send a printed copy to you. But also remember, and especially nowadays that we all are conscious about sustainability, the book is available in Apple Books, and it's fully cross-referenced with the conference. So as you go through your Apple Book, you have links to the videos like this one we're recording at the moment. And you also have hyperlinks to the DC Wiki. So we have the program online now. So please make sure that keep checking the program in case there are any changes. If there is a change, I'll notify you all via Eventbrite. And I would like to thank you all for attending the conference and the workshop day. Thank you, everyone, and welcome. And then I'll pass to Carlos Galera Zaco, who is hosting the workshop day. Thank you very much.